So guys, as you have already seen, we have analyzed our data and we have made our conclusion, okay, and we have saved our embeddings. Now what I'm going to do, I will use that embeddings like what we have generated in this artifacts folder. I'll be using that for creating this web application, okay. So first of all, I will open my VS Code here. So in this project I'm using VS Code, but you can use PyCharm also, okay, or Sublime Text. It's up to you. uh, so I will open that, and after opening I will open my terminal. uh, Guys, first of all, let me tell you, I actually am here I'm using the bash terminal. This is the git bash terminal, but you can use the PowerShell also, okay. It doesn't matter, but I like this bash terminal, so I'll be using that. So some command might be different, but you can manually also create this kinds of file or folder. I like from here also, okay. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I have to, like, you can say, create one Python file which would be setup.py, okay. Why I will be creating this setup.py? Because if you want to, like, keep some of the local packages, okay, in your projects, so that, like, you can use it later. So for that, like, you have to create the setup.py, okay. So by creating the setup.py, you will you can say, tell your environment, like, yes, these are some local packages, okay, I want to, like, create, okay. And whenever, like, you will import that, so that, like, it can find from your environment itself, okay. So before that, I will be creating an environment here. Before that, I will be creating an environment here, okay, our project environment, because I don't want to use my base environment, so because there would be a lots of, you can say, packages, so I don't want that, because at the end I have to deploy it on the cloud. So if I use my base environment, so I will be installing, you can say, unnecessary packages, so I don't want that. So for that specific reason, I will be creating my new environment here, okay. So for that, like, there is a command called conda create hyphen prefix. So why I'm using that command? Because I have seen, if you install, like, if you create a virtual environment, okay, in your C drive, so it takes, you can say, lots of memory, okay, by using the default command. But if you use this conda, you can say, create prefix command, so it will create your environment in your project directory itself, okay. So that so that is why it won't occupy your C drive space, okay. So that's why I'll be using that. So conda create prefix, then I will be naming my environment. So let's name it env. It's a, you can say, default name you have to keep. And here you have to define your Python version here. So I will be using Python equal, you can say, 3.7 and hyphen y, okay. Hyphen y means, like, you want to create it in a one shot, okay. So you don't have to give the permission again. So if I hit enter right now, so you'll be seeing your environment will be creating. So I'll be wait till it so I'll be waiting until it creates. So guys, our environment got created. Now I will be activating this environment. So for that, I will write conda activate .env. Okay, so if you write that, so you'll be see here your environment got created, okay. So what are the, like, files you will be seeing in your C drive itself, okay, whenever you are creating environment by using the default command. So all the files would be there, okay. So but it will be creating in your project directory itself, okay. So it won't occupy your C drive space. So if I write that conda activate .env, so you'll be seeing this activated will be, like, you can say, activate, this environment will be activated. Here you can see it's a small name for me, just env, but your name should be, like, big and different, because I have, you can say, done some configuration, so that's why, like, it is showing like that. But your one is also fine, okay. Just keep it uh, like just keep it whatever it should be, okay.